You would not want the MMDA disrupting your wake or funeral unless your relatives hold your wake out on the street where your casket and their tent become traffic obstructions. This is what happened here in Matimias Street in Quezon City when MMDA personnel cleared Mabuhay lanes to ease traffic congestion. At least, the MMDA's Ed Lara spoke nicely to the mourners.
Pasensya na po, pero kailangan po natin ipatupad. Saan po ba natin pwedeng ilipat?
These men would rather gamble their sorrows away, but that's illegal, so they left. It's against the law to hold funerals and wakes out in the street. But there's no arguing with these residents who say they have nowhere else to move.
Wala naman kayo sa walang pera? Oras na lang inaantay na pati. Wala lang talaga kami pera. Pero kung may pera kami, hindi makabuburo dyan. Wala kami dyan pa ho. Wala kayong pondo, mamamaysin kayo!
So, Lara proposes a compromise.
Ito po, hindi naman namin gagalawin. Pero ito pong tolda, pasensya po, pero bawal po.
In the end, the MMDA personnel leave the casket alone. And why not? It's not like they can confiscate it. They leave the tent alone too after residents promise to bury the body in a few hours' time. In other areas where no dead bodies are involved, MMDA marshals have more success. They demolish this small eatery built right on the sidewalk.
Bukod sa obvious po na nag-encroach sa bangketa, bawal po.
Siyempre masakit. Siyempre kainan pinagawa namin para rin kasi sa mga estudyante.
Pet lovers be warned, it's illegal to keep your dogs and chickens caged on the street.
Ano yung ate ko naman buhay eh. Grabe naman kayo.
Rodolfo Gutlay breeds roosters and hens, but his cages had to go.
Medyo masama loob ko mo kasi, di ba, nakiusap ng mga sego. Talagang gano'n eh.
Other residents cooperated and removed their own illegal structures. The MMDA says their clearing operations will continue until the end of the year. Hopefully, more residents, living or dead, humans or animals, will let them do their job. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.